Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. Hope you're having a great day today. I'm just checking in today. I want to talk to you guys. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Scentsy Consultant Tax Benefits, guys. Yay! So excited to share with you about the tax benefits of being a Scentsy consultant. Isn't that exciting? Yes, it is. Okay, guys, if you want to see more videos from me on YouTube on how to grow your channel with growth tips, tricks, strategies from me, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications, hit that bell so that you never miss another upload from me, guys. Hey friends, hey team. Scentsy is perfect for people searching for ways to have tax breaks. I actually know consultants who have joined Scentsy just for the tax write-off, the tax benefits, and the tax breaks. Dropping a disclaimer here, I am not a licensed tax professional. I have friends that are. All of the information that I am about to share with you comes from my experience and lots of research that I have done on my own. I'm sitting here now getting ready to prepare for this year's Scentsy taxes to be filed. You are self-employed now. You own your own Scentsy business. You are an independent contractor. You are a Scentsy independent consultant or independent Scentsy consultant. The good news is because you are self-employed, there are lots of tax deductions, tax write-offs, and tax benefits for Scentsy consultants as business owners. If you have earned over $600 in commissions with Scentsy, Scentsy will upload a 1099 in the workstation under your accounting tab. The 1099 form shows your Scentsy income for the year, how to find your 1099 or generate a pay statement. If you made less than $600 in the last year, you will have to generate a pay statement to include with your taxes. There are a few ways to do it, but this is the easiest way. Log into your workstation, go to your accounts tab, scroll down until you get to generate pay statement. Change the dates to January 1st, 2020 to December 31st, 2020. Hit create statement. Boom, your pay statement pops up. Print out and give it to your tax pro or use it to file your own taxes. You can save it for up to 7 years. You can do this at any time starting now. You can also tell if you are going to receive a 1099 by running this report and seeing if the total pay is $600 plus. If you made more than $600, you need the 1099. Scentsy has just uploaded the 2020 1099 NECs today, so you can go to your workstation and go take a look. If you earned at least $600 in commissions and prizes in 2020, your tax form is now available in the account section of your workstation. For more information, please read the Form 1099 NEC FAQ in the training section of the Scentsy Success. There are a lot of Scentsy related deductible expenses. Here is an ongoing list of items that may be deductible for Scentsy purposes. Cost of productions, Scentsy supplies, business cards, supplies from the Scentsy Family Success Store, your testers, catalogs, order forms, drawing brochures, Scentsy t-shirts, Scentsy pants, a uniform that you create, your shoes, clothing exclusively for your Scentsy work, Scentsy kit that you get when you join, you can write that off, warmer and scent of the month, samples, advertising, marketing, Scentsy success items. A lot of Scentsy consultants buy Scentsy success items and attach them to a party to keep track of that. You can create a guest name in that party called Scentsy Success, first name Scentsy, last name Success, so that you are able to keep track of the supplies that you purchase. When you go back into your workstation and click on that order history, you can look that up later. Office supplies, pen, paper, calendars, markers, dry erase boards, ink, printers, anything that you use for your business, you can write that off on your taxes. Sales tax, fees, finance charges, and interest are fully deductible for business purposes. Downline gifts, hostess gifts, fundraisers, the money that was donated to that fundraiser can be wrote off. Postage, shipping, mailing supplies, envelopes, shipping supplies, printing, incentives for team members, convention, conferences, booths, seminars, Scentsy events, SFR, World Tour, childcare for when you're working your Scentsy business, Scentsy parties, awards, and prizes to your hostesses and guests at the party, a portion of your cell phone, a telephone for your office for business use or a separate fax line, meals, food that you serve at your Scentsy party or Scentsy events that you put together, food meals for customers or recruits. So say you went to go meet a customer and you pay for that meal because you're talking about the Scentsy opportunity. Recruits, team members that you're talking to about joining or helping them help someone join. Entertainment, business-related company holiday party is 100% deductible. Team meetings. Travel, Scentsy travel. Traveling, lodging, meals, and entertainment. Spouses are not covered unless they are a partner or an employee in the business and have a valid reason to attend. Auto expenses. Repairs and maintenance, oil changes, new tires, brakes. Mileage to and from Scentsy events, post office to mail Scentsy items, a Scentsy party, to and from delivery or meeting customers or a team member. Internet for business use. Home office expenses, home office renovations. Bank charges, gifts for a purpose, example, gifts for birthdays, weddings, gifts for a client or gaining clients are an acceptable gift deduction. Happy mail, customer mail, team mail, pension, profit sharing plans, retirement plans, taxes and license, parking tolls, accounting and legal fees, credit card fees used exclusively for your business, donations. Donations is advertising. Otherwise, donations go under Schedule A, itemized deductions. Theft recovery fees, casualty losses, loss from fire, theft, shoplifting, or vandalism. Website fees $5 to $10 per month, whatever you pay for your family line. So say, for instance, you're in the workstation and you've subscribed to the e-commerce part of Scentsy, you can deduct those website fees that you're being charged, and you can find those fees in your workstation under the order tab history. Contract labor, if you hire someone to assist you with your Scentsy business. Office expenses, computer, software, printer, scanner, fax, office furniture. Depreciation of computers, printers, laptops, tablets, etc., business use only. Home office is used for business. The business area of your home office is used exclusively for business and storage of inventory. Inventory storage. If you devote a specific area in your home exclusively to storing your inventory, you can deduct that percentage of your mortgage or your rental payment that represents the actual portion of your residence that is devoted exclusively to this purpose. In other words, if you have a 2,000 square foot home or a square foot residence and devote 200 square feet to your inventory storage, you can deduct 10% of your annualized mortgage or rent payment for your taxes. If you rent rather than own your home office space and you qualify for the home office deduction, you can deduct a percentage of your monthly rent. You can apply that same percentage to the other home office expenses, such as utilities and renter's insurance. There are tons of tax deductions, tax breaks, and tax write-offs. These are just to name a few. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. I truly and sincerely appreciate you all so much. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.